Hello and welcome everybody to another episode of Spirit Seeking with Pratick on Sound Health Solution. Recently, we have been speaking about mudras. Mudras are different formations and different structures, different combinations of your fingers in your palms in order to achieve a certain state of mind or certain state of health. Besides that, we spoke about chakras in our previous videos. If you haven't checked them out, you should go check them out right now because mudras are linked directly with chakras. And we are also speaking about gemstones in general, right? Last time we spoke about the rose quartz, which is also known as the love stone. And in this episode, I wanted to speak about black tourmaline. It is one of my most dearest stones. So as a child, I was a very restless child. I was a very anxious child, and I could not sit in one place. But after I was introduced to meditation and the black tourmaline stone, I felt myself being more stable, more calm, more grounded. So what this crystal does is that it's able to absorb all the negativity around you, all the anxiety around you. And since everything is soaked in by this crystal, you can now feel more positive, more rejuvenated, and more grounded. You need to charge this crystal time to time in the sun, or you could put it in salt water so that you can charge it again. The black tourmaline stone is a clear black stone, and it's found in many places including Africa and Nepal. Right. In Nepal, you have a famous place where you mine these stones, which is known as the Kala Pathar. In ancient rituals, these stones were used in order to ward off demons and evil spirits also. How cool is that? It's usually found commonly everywhere around the globe. You might not need to go that far in order to get a black tourmaline. In order to find rare and pure black tourmaline, you'll have to dig a little deeper. The hardness of this stone on a scale of 1 to 10 could be somewhere around 7 to 7.5. And as I said before, you need to charge this stone in the sun time to time because that's where it gets recharges in order to recharge you eventually. When you heat this, when this crystal gets heated or charged in the sun, what happens is one end of it becomes more negatively charged while the other end becomes more positively charged. And due to this displacement of charges, this imbalance of charges, it's able to take in negative energy and confine it within itself. So you could wear it as a bracelet. I've seen people even wearing it as rings on their fingers. When you do that, when you have it around your body, what it does, it deflects all the negative vibes and the negative energy around you. And it's almost like forming a cover around your body. It forms a shield around your body which protects you from all the negative charges of the environment. And when you have these crystals around your body, it realigns the structure of your body and it makes you more aware and more in the moment. It also strengthens your bones. It connects to the root chakra and it makes your grounding strong. It makes you be able to see what is real and what is just formulated by the mind. Black tourmaline is also the stone that if you have tinnitus, if your ears are ringing a lot, you can try having black tourmaline around you. While you sleep, especially if you keep it under your pillow, you'll find that you'll have a more restful sleep, and eventually by and by your ear problems and your tinnitus problem shall also disappear, right? You could also take tourmalines with you while you travel around because it decreases jet lag, it decreases fatigue, it decreases tiredness in your body. So that was about black tourmaline, one of my favorite crystals. And if you like this video, if you like the information that was given in this video, to press the like button. If we missed anything, do not forget to comment it down below and share it with your friends who like crystals and gemstones, right? And if you like whatever is happening in Sound Health Solution, do not forget to subscribe to us. We'll bring more videos like this for you in the future. Let's create a community of new age enlightened human beings. Until next time, thank you.